It's brutal. It's brutal.
Oh, you alright? Yeah. It's probably better.
Yeah, this is okay, Cindy. Jesus. There's a step right there. Stay in my waterfall. We can go back now.
That's where she's at.
What? Dude, my dad is still leaving.
Oh. Sorry, guys.
Steps there. Yeah. Thanks.
Is honey good? Are other dogs? Yeah, I did. No. Over here. Not yet.
Please fall, Mom. Please fall.
No, then I have to ruin the day.
Oh, this is cool. Everybody's hanging on to this. Right here, there's a hand pass. What we're gonna do. Perfect. Oh, somebody fell. Alright, Mom, this is right here is actually kind of slippery. People are falling right here. Let's see. Let's test the theory. Theory is busted, not slippery. It's hilarious.
That bottom step is
Oh, you alright?
Yeah.
I was gonna get you.
I was gonna get taken out again.
This is cool. fall. Just fall.
Smaller. The more you're scared to fall, the more likely it is to hurt.
Yeah, I know exactly.
We're gonna head back. He said it's brutal down there. It's brutal. It's brutal.
We already went all the way through, so like, I mean,
Now with people packing down.
yeah, literally. Our legs are tired.
Let's go. Yeah. We're making the loop. Yeah. I'm taking high side again.
One down. Executive decisions.
Somebody dropped the battery.
Yeah, try and stay in fresh snow if at all possible, away from that beaten down path.
Yep.
All right, let's go. Looks slippery here. Yeah, I'm fine.
It was a one-way trip.
Yeah, going uphill is a lot easier than going down. You can't fall uphill. No, you can't.
These are firmly in the ground because I'm using them for daylight.
You can go ahead.
Use the like tree. We're just sliding down in front of a whole crowd of people.
We're just walking.
Should I try this? This looks fun. Nobody's done it. Ooh.
You're getting hurt. Stop. It's okay. Keep dropping. Yeah. Just slide down. I don't think you're gonna make it better.
Oh, it's slippery. Oh. It's slippery.
Dad, this is straight ice.
It's slippery. Yeah, I win. Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Burn, burn. I want you to go first.
No, you go first.
Okay. Oh, dude. This is not good for tall people. Come on. This is beautiful. See, this is not slippery at all. Oh, man. How gorgeous. I didn't. It's like an actual gaffer right there.
Because you're moving. You're having circulation to the area.
Where's the big rock when you need one? Mom. Bring vent noise in it. Alright, now I'm gonna go skating. Let's just shake that out a little bit. Oh man. And this is the way out. Through the tunnel. Oh man. What a great little hike. Now if you go down there, you're dead. So I'm gonna try to get as close as possible without dying. Oh man. GoPro's dead. Thank you guys for watching. Alright, now I'm gonna go skinny dipping.